Picture this: you're in the middle of a conversation, and the narcissist in your life is laying it on thick, manipulating, boasting, twisting reality to make themselves the hero or, worse, the victim. You feel the frustration bubbling inside you, but what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? A way to rise above, stay calm, and leave them feeling powerless? In this video, we're diving into 4 Stoic strategies inspired by Marcus Aurelius himself, methods that not only protect your peace but subtly torture the narcissist by denying them the one thing they crave most: control. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll be armed with timeless wisdom to turn their tactics into dust. Narcissists are often associated with traits like inflated self-importance, a deep need for admiration, and a lack of empathy. Their tendency to manipulate and control others can leave those around them feeling drained and disempowered. However, there's a Stoic way to handle these challenging individuals without descending into vindictiveness or spite. Drawing on the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and Stoic philosophy, we can explore methods to metaphorically torture a narcissist, not through harm but by rising above their behavior in ways that deny them the gratification they seek. These 4 approaches, grounded in resilience, self-control, and emotional discipline, will help you assert your power while maintaining your integrity. 1. Master the art of indifference. The greatest torment for a narcissist is being ignored. Narcissists thrive on attention, be it positive admiration or negative confrontation. When you refuse to react to their provocations or manipulations, you deprive them of their fuel. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stay calm under pressure. A narcissist will often bait you into reacting emotionally. Whether through criticism, triangulation, or passive aggression, they want to see you flustered. By responding with Stoic calmness, you deny them satisfaction. Gray Rock Method: adopt a neutral and non-engaging demeanor during interactions. Speak in short, non-descriptive phrases and avoid revealing personal information. The less material they have to work with, the harder it is for them to manipulate you. Detach emotionally, view their actions as external events beyond your control. By not internalizing their behavior, you reinforce your emotional independence. By practicing indifference, you strip away their power over your emotions. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed, and you haven't been. 2. Live authentically and with integrity. Narcissists despise authenticity because it contrasts starkly with their own false sense of self. Living true to your values and refusing to compromise your integrity not only shields you from their influence but also undermines their attempts to control or belittle you. Marcus Aurelius urges us to live in accordance with virtue. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Set firm boundaries, establish clear limits and enforce them consistently. Narcissists are adept at testing and pushing boundaries, but firm resolve will frustrate their efforts. Don't mirror their behavior. Stoicism teaches us to act with virtue even in the face of adversity. Resist the temptation to stoop to a narcissist's level, whether through gossip, deceit, or manipulation. Prioritize personal growth. Focus on building a life filled with purpose, self-respect, and accomplishments. Narcissists crave the attention that comes from tearing others down. Your growth diminishes their ability to affect you. By staying true to yourself, you expose the hollowness of their facade. Marcus Aurelius would remind us, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. 3. Cultivate emotional resilience. Narcissists often aim to destabilize others emotionally, feeding on insecurity and self-doubt. Building emotional resilience is a direct counter to their tactics. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts, perceptions, and actions, and let go of what we cannot. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have to assemble your life yourself, action by action." Practice negative visualization. A Stoic technique involves imagining worst-case scenarios to mentally prepare for challenges. visualize a narcissist's typical manipulative behaviors and rehearse how you'll respond calmly. Engage in self-reflection. Keep a journal to evaluate your reactions and emotions. Understanding your triggers can help you build greater self-awareness and prevent emotional outbursts. Focus on inner peace. Daily practices like meditation, mindfulness, or deep breathing can fortify your emotional stability. Marcus Aurelius emphasized returning to your inner self. Know where you can go is more peaceful, more free of interruptions, than your own soul. Emotional resilience not only shields you from their attempts to control but also highlights their inability to shake your composure. For a narcissist, your unshakable serenity is infuriating. 4. Control the narrative. Narcissists often manipulate narratives to paint themselves in a favorable light or to cast others as villains. By taking control of the narrative, either through direct communication or how you frame their behavior in your mind, you remove their ability to dictate your reality. Marcus Aurelius advised, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. By focusing on actions rather than appearances, you can dismantle the narcissist's illusions. Speak the truth with courage. Narcissists often rely on others' silence to maintain their facade. While it's important to choose your battles wisely, don't hesitate to assert the truth when necessary. Reframe their behavior. Rather than viewing their actions as personal attacks, see them as reflections of their inner insecurities. This mindset robs them of the power to hurt you. Engage in constructive storytelling. Surround yourself with supportive people who understand your perspective. Share your experiences, not for pity, but to reaffirm your strength and clarity. By framing the narrative in a way that aligns with reality and virtue, you render their manipulative tactics ineffective. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know anything about the subject. Focus on truth, not perception. In conclusion, dealing with narcissists requires more than just strategic action, it demands inner discipline and emotional fortitude. Marcus Aurelius and the Stoic philosophers provide a framework for navigating these challenges with grace, integrity, and resilience. By mastering indifference, living authentically, cultivating emotional resilience, and controlling the narrative, you not only protect yourself but also expose the emptiness of their manipulative tactics. Remember, the goal is not to harm but to rise above, embodying the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. In the end, the greatest torture for a narcissist is encountering someone they cannot manipulate, control, or shake, a person who embodies the Stoic strength of Marcus Aurelius. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.